an apprentice at Premier Group. As it's apprenticeship week, I just want to give you my intake on why I think it's a great opportunity and all the benefits you get from being an apprentice. Firstly, you need to have a passion in what you want to do. As myself, I grew up working on cars with my granddad, so straight away that involved me in the vehicle repairs. Secondly, I got this amazing chance to join Premier Group, and the way I did it was just asking around personally myself, but schools can also contact Premier, so if you really want to do something to do with vehicles, this is a place brilliant for. The opportunities I get from Premier Group, at the moment I'm doing MET, so that's mechanical tech, but there is also MIT tester, paint, panel, estimator, and even a detailer. So if any of them are up your street, feel free. Brilliant. Premier Group have been amazing and got me an apprenticeship at Fashion Research, which I think is incredible. It's at the highest standard, and I'll be joining the academy to learn all my levels, get all massive qualifications, and it'd be absolutely amazing. Also, you get the uni experience of going down there for a week, staying over and progressing and learning in the shop itself. The benefits of an apprentice though are, for one, you're earning while you're working. For two, work experience, hands-on, day-to-day life of work, especially with the lads. I'm more than capable of doing the work with them. There's always someone to look over you if you're struggling yourself. And the future holds for myself is going to Fatchams, hopefully getting all my qualifications, and then which increases me in my ability to earn more money, and then also secure a better job at Premier, which could also be a workshop leader, estimator, or even a manager of my own shop or of the Premier Group itself. So that's all really, but apprenticeships are such a good thing, and if you are thinking of one, especially with vehicle repair, Premier Group is a place for you.